Bad ABS control module symptoms. 1. Brakes locking. The whole purpose of an ABS control module is to prevent locking of the wheels. If you notice that your wheels are locking up while you're driving, then this obviously means that your ABS control module is faulty or damaged. Generally, when an ABS module fails, you will only notice when you slam on the brakes. In other words, you will usually only notice a problem when you need the system the most. If one tire is smoking or is constantly locked, you may want to check to make sure you don't have a stuck caliper. 2. ABS light on. If you have a newer car, then it should have an ABS light on the dashboard. If your ABS control module were to go bad, this dashboard light should come on. The light will likely be an amber color, so it will be easy to recognize. However, if you have an older car, then the check engine light will be used to indicate this problem instead of the ABS light. Some ABS systems may function even if the ABS light is on. Even still, you should have the ABS code read, then get the problem diagnosed and repaired. ABS systems have layers of redundancy and one component or circuit has probably failed. 3. Brake pedal is unresponsive. If you put your foot on the brake pedal and the car does not slow down at all as it normally does, this is obviously a sign that there is a problem. In the beginning, the symptom will start out gradually where you will have to press your foot down on the pedal a couple of times to get it to work. But then as time goes on, you will have to press down more times just to perform one braking function. It may eventually get to the point where it stops working altogether. If you notice issues with the brake pedal, you should also check the brake fluid level and consider having the brake system flushed so you know there is no air in the brake lines. 4. Increased brake pedal effort. You may be in a situation where the brake pedal of your vehicle works, but it requires a lot more pressure on your part just to perform a simple braking function. A brake pedal should not require a significant amount of pressure. You should be able to just lightly press your foot down on the brake pedal for the braking to work. If you have to increase your effort just to do this, then your ABS control module may be bad. 5. Speedometer fails. In rare cases where your ABS control module doesn't work, the speedometer in your instrument cluster will stop working. Either it will show you an incorrect speed or the needle will just rest at 0 miles per hour. This will usually be followed by the ABS check engine light coming on. But even if the light doesn't come on, a bad speedometer should be reason enough to get your car checked out by a professional.